We use a or an before a noun or naming word. For example, a girl, an umbrella, a ball, an owl. Look at this picture. Which do you think is correct? A tree or an tree? Very good, it's a tree. An tree is incorrect. How about this one? Which is correct? A boy or an boy? A boy is the correct one. An boy is incorrect. Is it an egg or a egg? An egg is the correct one. A egg is incorrect. Is it an apple or a apple? The answer is an apple. A apple is incorrect. We use a if the noun or naming word begins with consonant sounds. These are the alphabets. Letters A, E, I, O, U are not consonants. They are vowels. They are not included in the consonant sounds. A tree, a book. Letter T and letter B are consonant sounds, so we use a. A tree, a book. We use an if the noun or naming word begins with vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel sounds. An egg, an apple. Letter E and letter A are vowel sounds, so we use an. An egg, an apple. If the nouns begin with vowel sounds, we use an. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel sounds. Ant, elephant, igloo, octopus, underwear. These nouns begin with vowel sounds, so we use an. An ant, an elephant, an igloo, an octopus, an underwear. Now, let's see if you understand our lesson. Do this activity. Write a or an before the nouns. You can use your pad paper and write your answers there. Pause this video and start now. Let's check your work. Number 1, a puppy. Number 2, an ant. Number 3, a leaf. Number 4, a church. Number 5, an engine. Are your answers correct?